Okay, this is the last question, and a measurement question, and let's just do it here. A cylindrical, it's a cylinder, that's a cylinder, it's a drinking glass made on a solid base, okay, so that's solid, you put water in there, that's open at the top, that's the way glasses work, and the dimensions of the glass are indicated, so that's 9 centimeters is the height, the diameter is 8 centimeters, that'd make the radius 4 centimeters, there's 16 millimeters in the bottom. That's 1.6 centimeters. 10 millimeters to a centimeter. So you go 116 divided by 10, you get 1.6 centimeters. So the height of this whole big cylinder, including the base, is 9 plus 1.6, which is 10.6 centimeters. The radius is 4 centimeters. And the first question is, determine, what do they say? Determine the volume. Determine the volume of the entire glass. So there's the formula for volume, pi r squared h. So all we do is we go pi times the radius is 4 squared times 10.6, put it in our calculator, and it tells us it's 532,81 cubic centimeters. Volume is about cubes. Now it says, determine in liters how much water the glass can contain if it's completely full. Well, the water wouldn't be part of the base, it goes in here, so it's completely full. We just use the same formula for volume. It's pi r squared h, but we don't include that the base there. We just use the 9 centimeters. So pi 4 squared, pi r squared h is pi times 4 times 4 times 9. My calculator says 452,38 cubic centimeters. But a cubic centimeter, on the test they told us is equal to a milliliter. In fact, we just divide this by 1,000, move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right, and I rounded it off to the nearest hundredth of a liter. So it's 0.45 liters. I guess you could go 0.452 liters. And that's your answer in liters for how much water the glass can hold. Pretty big glass. Now the last question says, determine the internal surface area of the glass. Well, we've got, what do we have to worry about here with this glass? The internal surface area on the inside, there's a circle on the bottom, pi r squared. And then there's everything around the outside there on the inside. That's 2 pi r, that's the circumference, times how tall it is, which is 9. So there's my formula, pi 4 squared plus 2 pi r times h. And I put that in my calculator, and I got 276,46. This time it's square centimeters. That's the deal. There's the last question. I hope you did good.